Okay, we're back here. We're going to play the 3-minute portion of this thing. I took a 1/2, 3.5 drubbing at the hands of Ian Dudley in the 3 and 2, and honestly, I thought the 3-2 was going to be like my best chance here. So he's awfully quick here. I'm going to have to rely on a bunch of old dirty tricks here to try and win this 3-minute here. But here we go, and let me check and see if he's ready. Ready? Redley? Okay, close enough. If I could spell. Let's do it. All right, here we go. And go. 3-minute chess. All right. Oops, he's going that way. All right. All right. Oh, do do do. Do 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 do. Okay, speed is going to be very important here. Okay, maintaining some diagonal tension. Are we going to break on E5? He says no. I'm taking away that. Is he going to break on E5? I don't really care if he does. Not particularly interested. Alright, straighten my pawns out. I'm perfectly alright with all this. I think I'm still okay with this. We're even on the time. Oh, he's going to make a weakness over there. He's making a weakness. Okay. Let's get some knights into the action here. Okay. Maybe I am making progress. Is this progress? I don't know. Trading pieces was probably good for me in this position here. D4 is not a possibility. C5 is no good. Let's see here. Let's see here. I'm just going to make sure that I don't get back ranked here. D4 any good still? No. C5 still not any good? A4 might be interesting for him. Gotta stay ahead on the clock. Alright, so he's declaring some intentions here. I'm coming for your pawn there. If you go A4, I'm going B4, and then maybe I'm going to team up on this diagonal here. Because, well, wow, I can't take that pawn. And he takes that pawn. Then what? He comes down there. We're going to trade A pawns, and I get my queen on C3. Alright, I'll go for that. I'm good with that. That's, oh, he's taking that pawn. Probably should have noticed that, huh? That's a little bit more of a key pawn, isn't it? Let's see here. Well, let's see here. I can mess up some pawn structure here, can't I? Let's see here. Bishop takes F6. Here's this knight to D5. I mean, that might have some possibilities to it. He's going to be coming down on the F file. Alright. Alright, I might be able to stick G4 into a very good square here. Alright, so now he's going to want to play queen to E5, naturally. But does it do anything? And I want to stop him from doing that. Okay, so I'm going to come back on this here. I might have to play G3 here. And then knight F3 to H5. Try and get to F5 somehow or another. Okay. Now, I think trading queens here would be good for me. Now, if he goes queen e5, threatening h2, I may just abandon that. Wow, he's going to let me do that, huh? Alright. Alright, let's trade queens. Okay. Let's go here. Reaching. Okay, now comes a critical position. I may have to. Oh, what did I got here? Ah, crap. Do I have to give him that? I do. Shoot, I got some time pressure now to deal with. All right, here. This is good for me now. All right. No! Oh, it's straight 3 minutes. Damn it. I was still thinking I had increments. Ah, keep your eye on the ball, baby. That's terrible. 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 I was still thinking increments. Had no sense of time there at all. Get out of here. Get out of here. What are you going to do? Reaching out. Okay, that's a good move. I don't know about that one. If I lose to this, I'm going to be pissed. It ain't going to happen. That sack ain't going to happen, buddy. No, it's not. A5 coming. A5 coming. A5 coming. Let's see here. What's he going to do with this now? How about a bishop to G4? Just to annoy you. Just to annoy. Reaching out. Touching you. Alright, I gotta get something out of this, right? Mama. Come on, Mama. C4. I want C4. Okay, he's going to give me C4. He is. He's going to give it to me. He's going to give it to me. Alright. You can take that, baby. I want some other stuff here. Let's see here. Okay. He wants E5. That's alright. I would too, but it just ain't going to happen. C5 is going to happen. Now A-pawn's going to start getting strong. Coming back, coming back, coming back, coming back, baby. Coming back. Oh, right. He wants F5, and I would too, right? Okay, F5 he wants. Here. Alright, so what do I got? What do I got? What do I got? Knight to g4. How about knight to g4? Is that a good move? Is that a move? Knight f4 must be a move, right? Yeah, knight f4 must be a move. Alright, let's make him think about that pawn right there. Okay, coming back. Alright, so, am I worried about that terribly? No, not really. Okay, I'm going to take that with the rook, knight, pawn, king. Okay. Alright, we're starting to feel that pawn. We're starting to feel it. Okay. Let's feel a little more. Okay. How about u4? How about e4? Let's see, I gotta get my rook into the game here. Okay. Now, 43 seconds left. This is bullet time, baby. Come on. Okay, we're alright. That b5 pawn is coming, but he's not going anywhere that fast. Not that fast. Not that fast. Not that fast. Uh-oh! That's getting faster. No, I didn't like that move too much, actually. No, I didn't like that move too much. Ooh, wow, look at that one. Alright. Reaching out. Touching me. Touching you. Sweet carrot. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, that's a good move. Alright, here, yeah, just got a check. Not a good check. Okay. Got a straight call. Oh, he's got that. Here, back here. Oh, no! Ah! Choke! The joke! Ah! 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 Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Okay. God, I keep not using good time management there. That is just terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Alright. Alright. Time management to the end here. I'm going to make a comeback here, damn it. Okay. Really? Alright, here it comes. Alright. Here I come. Yeah. And what there? Alright, let's see now. Take here, there. Okay. Is he gonna meet me over there? Maybe. Maybe. Probably not now. I think that's a mate-proof setup. Alright. Let's harass some pawns here. I'm into pawn harassing now. Okay. Make me push that. I will. Alright, now what? I take this pawn? Take that pawn, he goes knight to e5, right? If I take this pawn here, he goes rook there, and I got that. He is so full of tricks here. So full of tricks. I think I can take this pawn. Okay. Is he trapping me or something? No, he's not. Okay. Gotta move fast here. We got some weak pawns here. Oh, he's got that. Man, he's fast. And he's good. Alright, good. Could be a queen trap. Boof! What's this? Do I have to take that? Do I have to take that? I don't think so. Oh, he's got that. Oh! It's a check. Damn, he got out of that. Thought I had something there. He's got a strong D pawn. He's got a strong D pawn, and that one's a little vulnerable. $112. Man, I'm down on time too. Alright. Let's trade some queens. Absolutely trade the queens here. My knight on a4 is strong. It is strong. I really want to trade queens. Alright. How strong is that D pawn going to be now? Pretty damn strong, actually. God, I gotta think bullet here. I'm thinking increments. Here comes that pawn. Here it comes. What did he move? What did he move? H6. Okay. Oh, now the wife's calling me, of course. Of course. Not coming in there. No. Oh, he's got that again. Damn it. Thank you, wife. Always happens. Every time the wife calls me. Oh my God, this is just hideous. Just hideous. Man. That wasn't even my wife. Terrible. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Here. Okay. Damn it. Just getting creamed here. I resign. Turn the stupid phone on. Oh, get up here. Okay, this is it. Come on, baby, go. Take a walk with me, child. Come on. Come on. You ain't solving this. Come on. Come on. You want that again? Ain't gonna happen. Here. Alright. Hell yes, that's a good pin. That's a very good pin. That is a good pin. Let's see, tick tick. Here. Let's see, he's on that. No, I can't really do that, can I? Can I do that? Sure I can, right? You want to trade that for that? I'll trade that for that. Touching me, touching you through. Yeah, baby, I like this. Booyah! Slam! Take that! Do 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 do. Wa da 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 da. Sweet Caroline. Give me that check too. Let's see here. Can't get back ranked here, right? Where is he going? There. Alright. I will take that here. There. I think I have the technique for this one here. Let's see here. Where is he going with that one, huh? I don't need that G-pawn, you know what? These babies are coming. La da 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 da. Alrighty, let's see here. This pawn first. Yeah, that pawn looks fast. It looks pretty fast. Ah, thank you, sweet mother. Oh my God. Alright, here we go. We're on the board. We're on the board. Let's do it again. He doesn't have any. Come on. Oh, yeah. Sure, what do you got? You got a weakness down there. Oh, you just get rid of that. Come on, what do you got here? Let's harass some bishops here. Where are you going with that? Alright, he's going right there, huh? Oh, good times never feel it. Alright, we'll trade. We're good with that. Alright. A little pressure. A little bit of pressure. He's feeling the pressure now. He is feeling the pressure. I could tell. Okay, so I can't play d3, I can't play that. I can play knight to b3. Get the bishop out that way, right? Yeah. Okay. Well, let's throw this in just for good spites here. What's that all about? I'm just throwing pawns out there or something? I don't know about that one. Let's see. Does he wants that, huh? Alright. We'll stop that. Alright. Oh, look at him. Look at him go. Okay. So, take. Now, if I go, that's just I'm just creating a weak pawn there, aren't I? So, I'm going to take here. Let's open some things up here. Alright. So, now he's got some pawns to worry about. You know what? That bishop's strong. That bishop is strong. That bishop is strong. That bishop is strong. Let's get off that file. He doesn't want to give up that bishop. He says, I am not giving up that bishop. Let's see here. If I push there, it takes there, it takes there, it takes there. D4, huh? D4, E4, I take here, he takes there. I take there. He takes there. Let's try it. Uh-oh. Damn it! I'm behind on time again. I'm thinking increments. Alright. Oh, I miscalculated that one terribly. Oh, schnitz. Schnitz pizza. Alright. He's probably going to sack an exchange here. I would. Yep. Yep, indeedy. Alright, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is going to be good for him. I can tell already. Yep, indeedy. Oh boy. Oh boy. It's going to be bad news. Shit, how did I mess that up so badly? Oh, yeah. All the pawns are falling like ripe apples here. Alright, let's see here. Let's get rid of that bishop then. That'll be a little bit of progress. Make me feel a little better. 46 seconds, down a minute here. Not keeping track of time is my main problem here. Alright, so here. How many pawns am I down now? He's got 3 pawns for the exchange, clearly winning. Alright. Nice, healthy, connected passers. There's no problems here for him. None whatsoever. Nothing here. Okay, well, now he's going to deal with that. I would too, right? Sure, why not? Now he's got a knight check. He's going to come into E3. Sure. Oh, he's got that, huh? Wow. Oh, now I got knight E3 check. I resign. Alright. Oh, how many we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is like the last game of the 3-minute here. Oh, I'm just getting brutalized here. Okay. Oh, really? He's going to play my London system against me? Really? Well, let's see here. How are we going to do this? Alright, let's do it. Play our usual oppositional thing here. What are you going to do? There. Alright, here we go. This is good. This is good. I just need to play faster. Fast and sound. I'm okay with this. Go. 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 It's going to break on E4. Takes. Here. Yeah? I don't think so. We're just going to be faster than you. Touching hands, touching me, touching you, sweet Caroline. Oh. Yeah, and? You going to push that again? I'm not really afraid of that. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Oh. You know what? I should probably prevent a back rank mate. Alright. Looking good here. How can I screw this one up, huh? D5 looks like a wonderful square for a knight. You know what? Where's he going? To there? To B3, huh? Alright. Now, do I want to stop him going to B3? I think I do. Alright, so now I need to maneuver this to there. At some point I want to get my king a little active here. Now he's going to be coming to B4, B5. Alright, so alright, not much I can do about that. Here, there. Alright. Swing the knight this way. Not terribly afraid of that one. Alrighty, now he's got that. Alright, let's create some weaknesses over here. Okay, I'm a little ahead on the clock here even. Against super quick Ian. I got him. Whoa! Let's see here. Okay. Damn it. Damn it. I didn't see that one. Takes. Oh, I should have seen that one coming. Damn it. Alright. So what do I do? I don't want to drop a piece. Alright. Here we go. Okay. Now, D5. Is D5 a move? Probably not. Now I'm down on time, damn it. Let's see now. Takes here, check there. Boy. I got a knight check here. Alright, so what does that threaten exactly? I don't know. Let's go with that. Take it free. Alright, we'll take that. Alright. Take that. Alright. I'm alright with that, I guess. I'm not down any material at the moment. It's just gotten messy. Alright, I'm up on a few seconds on the clock. I think I want to do here. If I can avoid getting something forked here, I should do pretty good. Alright. Here's a scary looking check over there. Alright, what's he got? Alright, I'm alright with that. My check's scarier than your check, isn't it? Alright, well, let's try that. Alrighty, check here, I don't know. Check there. I don't know, check there. I don't know, check here. Where are you getting out of? Are you getting out of these checks? Alright, let's see here. Okay, 11 seconds left. Time for scramble-only. I might get a draw out of this. Might not. Move. Go. Oh yeah! How the hell did he come back on that? How much time did I have there? Oh my god. I was up on time. Man, I'm not very good at pre-moving on lead chests here. I don't know. Alright, well, it's time for a break. We'll come back with the bullet. Oh my god, it's a slaughter. I'm going to do good. I'm going to do good. I am. Okay.